everyone, it's Denise Rose from the Happy Vegan Couple. I need to tell you about a wonderful new book that was recently published that I don't want you to miss. Here's what it's called: Disease Reversal Hope by Dr. Scott STOLL, medical doctor, and PURJES. These two have found the most incredible stories of health transformations that are published in this book. Let me just tell you a little bit about it. I actually bought this book to send to somebody who's coping with some very difficult health challenges that I know is eating an omnivore diet. And I want to encourage them to consider a transformation to whole food plant-based eating. I decided to get the book first so I could read through it. And oh my gosh, I'm so glad I did. The stories in this book are so powerful, everyone. Some of them you might know if you've been immersed in the whole food plant-based space for a while, like Dr. Saray Stancic, who reversed her multiple sclerosis on her own, Dr. Brooke Goldner, who reversed her lupus on her own. There are so many more stories in this book, some with other medical doctors, and then with many patients. And here's the thing, everybody. The stories in this book, and there's like more than 34 stories, and people have written their personal stories, and then a few more are shared at the end in very short synopses by the authors. But what we hear in all these personal stories of people who are suffering terrible, horrible health effects from diseases that were afflicting them. As they were going through their diseases and visiting their doctors, of course, they were getting tons of pills and procedures. But this is the constant theme that I kept reading in story after story. Doctors did not know about plant-based nutrition, and they never advised them. Of course, patients would always ask their doctors, what else can I do? Does it matter what I eat? And you know what the answer is. The doctors don't know because they don't learn it in medical school. And only it's really our plant-based doctors who have on their own learned this knowledge by going to conferences, by becoming part of the American College of Lifestyle Medicine and getting certified as lifestyle medicine. These are the doctors who understand the gift of plants and how when somebody really changes their dietary pattern to whole food plants and prepared in extremely healthy ways, miracles seem to happen with their bodies. And I want anyone potentially listening who has a health condition that they've been struggling with and their doctors can help them, get this book. You can't help but be inspired by the stories in this book. And that's why I came on to share this. They are totally amazing. And again, that major point, the people in this story didn't get help by their doctors in almost every case. They found the answer, whole food plant-based nutrition, on their own. And then they found the community of all these whole food plant-based doctors and dietitians and websites and advocates, all the people that many of us know about, that then to help them learn what to do. So I just wanted to give a shout out to this wonderful book. I'm going to send it off to the people who I bought it for and hope that perhaps they'll get inspired and maybe they can make their own miracle happen through the power of plants. So until then, I see you some other time. Remember to check out our videos at Happy Vegan Couple for cooking videos step by step. And I also have some wonderful health transformation stories on our YouTube channel as well, with people who've, gone the journey and have changed their health, and like their life is so incredibly different. I'm into inspiring you. I'm interested in teaching you and helping you move toward optimal health. If I can help any of you, this is what I love to do. Georgie and I, our passion, get in touch with us. We do this for community service. That's what we do. And we want to help you if you need some help. Okay? Check out this book. It's wonderful. Don't pass it up. Bye-bye, everybody.